Hello. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, as I say today, I say make I see drive my bicycle small, make I reach Facebook man see wetin dey happen there. Now I see one woman wey a husband beat, she do video come take cry come out. If una see her face, e vandalize like seriously. Una know say I no fit put the video for here because of YouTube law. I can't put the video here, but if you need the video, you can private chat me. I will send it to you, my people. Like I shocked like seriously. I really just want to advise our ladies the way be say they did this kind of marriage, but they know they feel cry come out, they know they feel talk come out because of the society where we dey, because of wetin dey happen, they know they feel cry come out because they'll say, especially if they tell their family go say, bear am, no worry, it go change, now we say they all those ones, so the woman cry come out. The funny part, the woman self na even doctor, like seriously, medical doctor, na the woman be. But e say the man dey always dey do am. The man dey na person wey be say e dey flirt. I will play small more na lis ten. Say the man dey flirt. Na all those flirter, the man no dey always dey stay house, and she just born another new born baby, and na even through operation na she take born the baby. E say so the man na person wey be say e no dey stay house, you understand. E dey always dey carry women up and down, because now say when woman don too quiet, na me dey always talk am. If you see something dey happen of recent, quick try make you stop am, because if you no stop am, the man go dey worst, you understand. E go dey worst put from there. Now na there na problem go come dey. The time wey you come say make you react, him now come dey vex, because you go feel say you first dey see and you no talk. So the woman say the man don dey do am ever since, say because he tell am now say make you take am easy. Those money wey you dey go dey spend for girl for outside, you dey save am. Say na the man take start say, who be you wey go tell me I want to spend my money? And from there start to dey beat the woman. From there start to dey do the woman wetin he wan do am. I just like, if you see the woman face, he vandalize, like one part of his face for here, he vandalize. The man beat am, not be small, my people. So maybe like, as in, I dey surprised for wetin dey happen to our women these days. I dey surprised because I don't understand. Marriage no be do or die something. If you dey marriage, you know the work out. Not meme yourself now. Like seriously, not meme yourself. Like, I don't understand. Okay, see, do you see what this man just do now to you now? You not get luck, say you not meme. How you for raising your children? Because I believe, say, before this man start to dey beat you, don't say, not be now, he starts. You don't feel they beat you, they come, but you did they wait. I not say me women come up for their marriage, but at least you get where the beating go reach, my dear. You don't go fit again. Because then they lead. So when you come here, say the person don't meme, the person not there again. Because now those things now they cause am. You understand? Okay, see this beautiful woman now, when the man just disfigure like this. He want just meme the woman for nothing. More than listening when the woman they talk. More than listening. Because he tell am make he spend the money wisely.
Hello people, my name is Ifeoma. I'm a doctor. I've been married to this man, Pius Angle of Channels Television, for 6 years. And for 6 years, I've known no peace in this marriage. It's been from
for 6 years.
One woman to another. Sleeps from one woman. Just had a baby. It was a cesarean section just about 4 weeks ago. Just because I told him to spend wisely and not spend on women so recklessly. considering that we have 4 children, and these children have to be trained. That's why I got this beating. Tried to strangle me and all that. Sat on my incision and everything. The children were crying. And I was pregnant with this child. When the pregnancy was 3 months. It was the same thing. He would sit on my stomach, hit me, try to strangle me and all that. Calling him out, he works with Channels TV. His name is Pius Iroja Angbo from Benue State.
Mommy, sorry.
Thank you.
The children, they want to tell us sorry. Mommy, sorry.
I thought I got married to a fellow human being. Though I saw a paper where he wrote prayer requests even before he got married. I stumbled into that paper here. Wrote, thank God.
My people, the noise wey dey inside the video, it dey too much. I'm not going to play everything, you know. Una see am when they talk and just now say wetin a husband do to am, you know, the beating, all those things. He say the man, that 6 years, she never know peace for this marriage. For that 6 years, both of them till they together. He say she never know peace. Wetin they call peace for marriage. She never know am. You understand? He said the man, not they give am peace, the man dey always dey beat am, the man not like the man they cheat on her, carry women up and down, you know. Sometimes they always dey talk this thing. Man when they cheat on a woman, it dey hard to stop. I believe say woman they date, this man said they even do am that time. But you believe say if una marry, it go stop. That make you not stop am that time. Because it dey hard to stop all those kind men. It dey hard. It dey hard because when the person don't learn, it don't learn am. And they always dey talk and say, sometimes you marry to your enemy, you not go know say you marry to your enemy. And they happen so. Just see the way this man have for made this woman have for the year now say, man don't beat your wife, oh, he don't be rambo, he don't be rambo, but we not go know say. Now waiting, she dey pass through and be all those ones. You know? So sometimes I beg, no we take this marriage of a teen, not be do or die something. I dey always talk am. Marriage not be do or die. If you try, not work out, not make yourself put oh, not be the one where you can't want make yourself because of marriage oh. Maybe they use our HQ, you know, like this one now, a medical doctor for that matter. Now a man just a bit like this, you know, they beat like this. So what do you think? Make this woman still remain for this kind of marriage. Make she still remain for this kind of marriage where she not get peace. Where man they beat her like this. They no. When man just they beat like this. Make she remain or make she come out. Because this kind of marriage, not be marriage. When I hear when they measure the man, they just like say Pius. The man and Benue man. Make this woman still remain on this marriage. My people. For me, oh, make this woman just make she run for her life, really. Because some men, they know water. They know water more. They know water. You understand? Because this woman, I believe it's not your enemy you married to. I just believe it's not your enemy. Because this will not be your husband. We go beat your wife like this. No, this will not be your husband at all. So my darling people, anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.